Yo. 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 Most of y'all are gambling on green candles. Me, I don't care what the price goes up, down, sideways. It's all green to me. Mithril on the dashboard. Let's get it. Yeah. I got 2 tabs open, but I'm 1 step ahead. Mithril scared of running, hunting down the spread. Looking at the funding, yeah, the yield is looking fat. Shorting on it, staying long in Paradex, just like that. Market's getting bloody, I don't feel the heart attack. Cause my delta zero, kick the capital attack. I ain't chasing pumps, I ain't buying into hype. I'm just harvesting the fees, yeah, I'm exactly the type. Yeah, we're playing with the math. Look, bot is carving out a different kind of path. Farm Paradex, XP, yeah, we're climbing up the rank. Extended point second while I'm laughing to the bank. Neutral on the price, but I'm bullish on the fee. This is automated, alpha, come and follow me. Neutral on the price, but I'm bullish on the fee. This is automated, alpha, come and follow me. Switch the decks, move the liquidity to Pacifica. Spread is getting wider, get the vision's getting liquid. Click, open position, let the bot do the heavy lift. Simultaneous execution, no slippage, no drift. 2 eggs, leverage protection on the side. Stop loss in the code, let the funding be the ride. I'm generating volume, I'm creating interest while you're staring at the chart. Feel the stress test. Volley flowing through the bottom, the king of the field. No liquidation scares, no direction, no bias. Volley flowing through the bottom, the king of the field. No liquidation scares, no direction, no bias. Volley flowing through the bottom, the king of the field. No liquidation scares, no direction, no bias. Just a neutral king sitting high on the highest, 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 highest.